Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best airsoft snipers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Rubber Knife Training Airsoft by BBTAC. This product is a budget-friendly option priced at just $16.45, making it one of the most affordable tools for training and cosplay enthusiasts. Its key feature is the flexible rubber blade, which makes it a safe tool for martial arts practice, self-defense drills, and even Halloween or cosplay costumes. The included sheath with a detachable belt clip and ring mount adds ease of carrying and storage. The design is minimalist yet functional, featuring a polymer handle that provides a secure grip during use. While the blade is made of rubber, it's durable enough to withstand repeated use in simulated combat or training scenarios. However, keep in mind that this is a dummy knife and not intended for competitive airsoft gameplay. This product is ideal for those looking for an inexpensive and safe training tool or prop. While it doesn't offer much versatility for hardcore airsoft players, it is perfect for beginners, martial artists, or anyone looking for a realistic yet harmless blade. The main drawbacks are its limited usability in airsoft skirmishes and the relatively niche appeal. Still, for its price, it's hard to complain about the value it delivers. At number 4, we have the BBTAC 4x32 Compact Rifle Scope. This optic is a step up in terms of performance, offering 4x magnification for precise targeting. Designed with a 32mm objective lens and fully coated optical glass, it delivers a bright and high-contrast image, even in low-light conditions. The scope also comes with 20mm standard mounts, making it compatible with most airsoft rifles equipped with a Picatinny rail system. The build quality is impressive, featuring a high-strength aluminum alloy construction that is shockproof, waterproof, and fog-proof. This makes it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and airsoft players who need a durable scope for various weather conditions. While it lacks advanced features like illuminated reticles, it provides more than enough for casual players and hobbyists. The BBTAC 4x32 scope is best suited for mid-range airsoft players who want the reliable and durable optic for their rifles. However, its lack of night vision and limited magnification options might not appeal to advanced users. Overall, it's a solid choice for its practicality and rugged design, though the price is not listed, making it difficult to gauge its value proposition against competitors. Coming in at number 3 is the BBTAC Airsoft Sniper Rifle M14. This product is a 1-to-1 full-scale replica of the iconic M14 rifle, making it a great choice for players who value realism. It features spring-operated functionality, which means you'll need to manually cock it before each shot. With an impressive FPS of up to 400 using 0.12 grams BBs, this rifle packs a punch for its class. It also includes a red dot scope and flashlight, which add to its tactical appeal. The build quality is decent, with ABS heavyweight plastic construction. While it doesn't offer the durability of metal-bodied rifles, it keeps the weight manageable, making it suitable for longer gaming sessions. However, at 6 pounds, it's still on the heavier side for a spring-powered airsoft sniper. The rifle performs well in skirmishes, but its manual cocking mechanism might not be ideal for high-paced gameplay. This rifle is a solid option for beginners or casual players looking for a powerful and realistic airsoft sniper without breaking the bank. On the downside, its plastic construction and lack of automatic firing may deter more experienced players. Still, it's a good entry-level option with some nice extras included. In second place, we have the BBTAC 3-9x40 Optical Rifle Scope. This scope is all about versatility, offering adjustable magnification ranging from 3 times to 9 times. The 40mm objective lens ensures excellent light transmission, while the red and green illuminated reticle with 5 brightness levels provides clear targeting in various lighting conditions. It also features windage and elevation adjustments, making it a precise tool for long-range engagements. The design is robust, made of aerospace aluminum alloy for enhanced durability. It is shockproof, waterproof, and fog-proof, ensuring reliable performance in diverse environments. The included accessories, like 20mm mounts, a lens cover, and a CR2032 battery, add to its overall value. However, the weight of 0.86 pounds might make it slightly cumbersome for smaller setups. This scope is perfect for intermediate to advanced players who need a high-performing optic for airsoft or hunting. The main drawback is its lack of night vision, which could be a deal-breaker for some users. That said, for its range of features and sturdy build, it's a fantastic option for those looking to step up their airsoft sniping game. Finally, at number 1, we have the AGM Kids Night Vision Goggles. While these are not a traditional airsoft sniper accessory, they are an excellent tool for players involved in night missions. Priced at $19.50, these goggles offer a fun and functional way to enhance your nighttime gameplay. The standout feature is the twin blue LED lights that allow visibility up to 25 feet in the dark. They're powered by 4 AAA batteries, which are not included. Design-wise, these goggles prioritize comfort, featuring an adjustable elastic band and a soft nose pad. They're lightweight and ergonomically designed, making them suitable for extended use. While marketed toward kids, they can also be a useful accessory for casual adult players who need basic night vision capabilities without shelling out for professional-grade gear. These goggles are perfect for beginners and younger players who want to experience the thrill of night gameplay. However, they're not a replacement for high-end night vision equipment, as the visibility range is limited. Overall, they're a fun, affordable, and unique addition to any airsoft kit, justifying their top spot on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.